Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great today. Okay, so today is the 17th of October 2025, and as promised, we are declaring the 18th of October, which is tomorrow, as the World Mazin Namdi Kano Day. Now let me explain to you what this means. World Mazin Namdi Kano Day is coming 2 days before the planned mass protest for his release on the 20th. Okay? Now what we're going to do on the 18th, which is tomorrow, is we are going to dedicate the entirety of the 18th, the whole day, to posting about Mazin Namdi Kano alone. Now let me tell you what I'm going to do. On that 18th, from the morning that births 18th, I will not post anything other than stuff that are related to Mazin Namdi Kano and the demand for his unconditional release. Everything I post tomorrow till the end of that day, I am making this commitment, and I had already called out for people who are willing to also commit to doing this, that for the whole day, no matter what breaking news I see, nothing will come on any one of my social media handles other than posts about Mazin Namdi Kano. Now, here's what you can do. A lot of people don't understand why people are angry and saying release Mazin Namdi Kano. We are tired of the double standards. We are tired of the perceived, no longer perceived even, the blatant injustice that we are seeing. We have a country where the authorities have the effrontery to go into peace talks with genocidal terrorists who even attend the peace talks with their weapons, and I'm talking military-grade weapons that vigilantes are not allowed to go near. They carry these weapons into those peace talks and they take them home. We've had like 2 back-to-back within 1 month. And a freedom fighter from predominantly Christian Eastern Nigeria has been in detention for going to 5 years now. How do you not expect that people are going to begin to read religious and tribal meanings into this? If these other guys can get away, why is Mazin Namdi Kano not allowed to go home and be with his family? Several months ago, about 4 or 5 months ago, I made a video. And that video was like me sounding the alarm that if the Nigerian government does not release Mazin Namdi Kano, that something could go wrong. Months after I made that video, which many of you must have seen, we now started hearing that his health is deteriorating. That was actually the reason why I made the video. I didn't just make the video. That was the reason. And this was at the time that many people were like, why are you talking about Mazin Namdi Kano? You shouldn't be talking about that guy. But we have terrorists roaming the streets and not being impeded by anything or anyone. Why don't you release the man? This guy never jumped bail. A lot of people think, why are you fighting for a man who jumped bail? Tomorrow is the day we are going to bring out the truth, the facts, his legacies. We know what brought about IPOB. Every information you know that you think someone who doesn't know about him needs to have, publish it tomorrow. That's what tomorrow is meant for. We need to educate the public on what happened. He was in his home, waiting for his day in court, and the military invaded, and he disappeared. And they still found a way to kidnap and bring him to Nigeria. This is unconscionable, to the point that up till this moment, no one has brought charges. Supreme Court has given their own verdict, and yet nobody is honoring it. It doesn't matter what anybody says. They just want him to be in detention. And the next thing is going to be that he will die in detention. What do you think is going to happen in Nigeria when this man, or God forbid, if this guy now dies in detention? Why not release him? Release him to his kinsmen. Release him to people. If you want him back in court, he can come to court. So tomorrow we are dedicating the whole day to create awareness. It's going to be the most powerful mass awareness program, global awareness program that you would ever have launched, that anybody could ever have launched for Mazin Namdi Kano. That's what tomorrow is about. 18th of October 2025. I personally will not allow any post on any one of my social media handles if it is not about Mazin Namdi Kano. 24 hours commitment and sacrifice. I don't think that is going to kill you. So God bless you as you join me in this campaign to challenge the injustice against our brother and release him to his family. God bless you.